I accidentally slept with makeup on. Including lashes. This never happens. I made this for 9 and it's 11:48. I have iced coffee now. You baby. Good morning. What do you want to do today?
Go right. I want to go at the park, eat. At the fitness and the equipment like your eyelash.
We're having a play date with Brookie! Say yay! Yay! Where are we going, Juge? Where do you want?
Going to Chick-fil-A.
So my nephew, how old was he? 4 or 5?
Oh no, he was like 2 or 3.
Oh, it was so long ago. So my nephew, we would be like, let's go to Chick-fil-A. And he would like, let's go to Chick-fil-A. Or I don't know how he did it. It was so cute. But then we would be like, Connor, say chick. And he would be like, chick. And we would say, Connor, say Phil. And he would say Phil. And then we would say A. He'd say A. And we would be like, say Chick-fil-A. And he would be like, what are words? Chick-fil-A. It was so funny.
I don't think we ever got a fillet in there.
Yeah, it was just like, it was so funny. Anyway, we're gonna go see if these dine-ins are open and if they have playgrounds. So we might be like, duh, mommy. This is my yesterday's makeup. This is still lifted because I never put it on correctly. And we're just thriving, living our best life. My bride from yesterday messaged me this morning. She was like, the makeup was amazing. It lasted all night and it was easy to take off. Thank you. And I was like, I got you, boo-boo. Unfortunately, the playground was closed. Huh, baby? Huh, Juju? So sad. Okay, so we're on the 2nd floor and we have lots of groceries. So we have a cart. Are you ready to help?
Hey, where's my?
It's on the bottom.
18, 19, 20.
Yay! Okay, let me see. Press the down one. Oh, you're right. You headbutted it. She's thick with 3 C's. Did someone wear perfume before they were in here? You can smell it, huh?
Mom, you're on the dog.
Pee! Ah! You stand up? You wanna go? You wanna go? Good job, baby.
Good job, baby.
Wow.
I'm so proud of you. You're so strong.
All right, I gotta go to work. There's a hair on my camera. Let's make iced coffee. So what we're gonna do for the iced coffee is take cold coffee from this morning that I didn't drink. Sugar-free classic. Just that much. Nut pots. No sugar. No sugar. No sugar. And that's all. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. Beans. Okay, that saved it a little bit. Let's go to work. Okay, so cat's out of the bag. I slept with makeup on. Let's see if I can put this like right through. Yes, I can. Okay, so I'm gonna take that off now. I'm gonna use some micellar water. Why am I taking it off right when I get to work? Because my lash is like funky and I don't like it. So one lash. Two lashes. This is the rose. rose water, micellar cleansing water. I dig it. Okay. makeup, but this is why I can't get like fake eyelashes. Just like rubbing makeup off my eyes that has been on there is so satisfying. Hey there, how's it going?
Your store brings happiness and joy to my soul.
Literally, same. Isn't it the best?
I want to lay in that.
Right? Should make one a floor version.
Do what?
Make a floor version.
Seriously.
Okay, I feel so much better, to be honest. I'm gonna help customers. Guys, I just got a breast pump. Okay, so it's the Freemie by Independence, I think. It's this. So it comes with like, so I put the tube down. It's like a, so you have master tube and then 2 little tubes that spout off the tubes. So you put 2 little tubes in here. Very high class technology. And then little tube here. This is currently charging, so I can't like, I probably could like walk around and everything. But I'm gonna keep it charging, and then let's see. That one is also getting something. Oh my gosh, it's working. That's great. Your girl's gonna power pump. It says lean forward while you're working or doing it. So that's perfect for working me because I lean forward. I'm so excited.